Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shania Matanji. On this video I'm going to share with you guys how I did this mask, removal mask, by using egg white and toilet paper. Before I did the mask, I did scrub, and yeah. So now I am just applying egg white on my face. Then I am taking the toilet paper and separate it into two, just to have a thin layer of toilet paper like this, and make a small piece to put on my face. I'm just going to do this process until the whole of my face is covered. So enjoy. And this is how it looked, guys. After 30 minutes, my mask is dry, and now I'm just taking off. It was so easy to take it off, guys. I thought it would be so painful, but it was not. This is how my face looked like after removing the mask. And this is the mask. It was so funny. I just went off the screen and washed my face. And here I'm just moisturizing my face by using this mask. Was amazing. Thank you for watching.